How to convert line to polyline in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you how to convert line to polyline in AutoCAD. Type P, edit, and click enter. Select your line. Then click enter 2 times. Now your line becomes a polyline. You can also do this for many lines. Type P, edit, and click enter. Choose multiple. Select your lines. Then choose yes to convert them to polyline. Finally, you enter another option after you convert the lines to polylines, like joining the lines, changing their width, or closing the lines.